Huling tanong na lamang po, Mr. Chair, kay Yusek Bernardo. Ayon sa isang interview kay dating DPWH Secretary Babe Singson, nagulat siya nung nabalitaan nila na biglang naging ASEC at Yusek kayo pagkatapos nung kanyang term. Supposedly, nag-skip, nag-outrank kayo sa ibang mga career officials na nauna sa inyo sa department. So, tama po ba nung 2016, kayo ay nirehire bilang ASEC at nung 2019 naman, kayo ay na-promote bilang USEC. Tama po?
Mr. Chair, ako po nung naging Assistant Secretary, I was on secondment in the City of Manila. So, ang tingin ko po, kasi po naging District Engineer po ako for almost 10 years at naging ARD po ako ng 3 taon. So, yung pong stint ko sa Manila ay I can consider po as, kung hindi man po equivalent ng isang regional director, ay tingin ko po ay malapit doon sa experience na yon bilang civil engineer na naging city engineer po ng Maynila. So, ako naman po yung nag-apply as assistant secretary noon, nag-apply po ako, and it so happened po na na-qualify po ako as assistant secretary. So, ako
Sino
po,
pong nag-recommend sa inyo maging ASEC noong 2016?
I think during that time, I applied in the department, hindi ko na po maano, pero doon po kasi nung ako po yung naging na-appoint na assistant secretary, that was, I think, August na po ng 2016, Mr. Chair. So, but yung pong sinasabi ni Secretary Singson ay aware naman po siya sa aking stint sa department kasi ang tingin ko po, kamukha po nung 2012, I think, when I was the Assistant Regional Director of Region 4A, he was the one who recommended me for the CESO 4 position. Nagkaroon po ako ng rank noon from his recommendation as CESO 4. So siya po yung, he sent a letter po with my good performance to the CES board, wherein afterwards, I was appointed as a CESO 4 po, as a career CESO 4 official. So,
Yusek, huling tanong ko na lang, so please make it your answer worth it. Sino pong nagrekomenda sa inyo nung August 2016 at sino naman nag-back sa inyo nung 2019 nung kayo'y naging USEC naman?
Mr. Chair, I would like to, na yung Assistant Secretary, nag-apply po ako noon sa department. Hindi ko na po maano noon kasi alam po ni Secretary Singson yan na while I was on secondment with the City of Manila, I usually talk to him and tell him na, Mr. Secretary, ang ano ko po ay sa DPWH. Kaya lamang po noon, ang sabi po niya sa akin ay tulungan ko si Mayor Erap. Tulungan ko na rin po si Mayor Erap sa pagpapatupad ng mga proyekto. So nag-apply po ako noon. And then afterwards po, nung pong ako naging Assistant Secretary, I also applied in the position of Undersecretary. And it was not 2019 po, Mr. Chair. It was, I think, 2018 na po nung ako po ay naging
Okay, Yusek. Pero wag nyo namang iwan itong huling mga segundo ko sa second round na to na hindi po nasasagot yung tanong ko. Are you telling the committee si Sec Singson ang nag-recommend sa inyo nung 2016 at nag-back sa inyo nung 2018 to 2019? Sino po yung mga taong iyon?
Hindi ko po sinasabi, Mr. Chair, na si Secretary Singson kasi hindi na po siya secretary nung...
Opo, so sino nga po?
Si Mark Villar po was the incoming, Secretary Mark Villar was the incoming secretary during the time.
2016 or
2016.
2019? 2016.
Sige,
And then
thank you po,
2019.
Senator Ontiveros, your time is up.
Sige. Last follow-up na lang, Mr. Chair, dahil
Okay,
hindi
go
pa
ahead.
nasagot. And in 2019, sino pong nag-recommend or nag-back sa inyo?
Si Secretary Mark Villar po,
So,
Mr.
both
Chair.
2016 and 2019. Salamat.
Mr. Chair, may I po. I was
Quickly, answer that.
I was not appointed in 2019. I was appointed as Undersecretary, I think November of 2017.
2017. Salamat, Yusek.
All right,
Salamat,
thank you.
Mr. Chair.
Thank you. Senator Marcoleta.